Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to insert a SIM in Samsung Galaxy A06 device. So, guys, if you wanna insert the SIM, all you guys have to do just take the SIM injector, and here on this side we have a SIM slot. So all you guys have to do just insert the SIM injector on the slot so that the SIM slot will be come out. As you see, we have two slots here. So just insert the SIM at any slot, and that's it. Now all you guys have to do just insert it, and as you see, it may take some time, by the way. So as you see, the SIM is now start showing here. So as you guys see that the SIM is now starts showing here, and that's how we can insert the SIM in Samsung Galaxy A06 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.